This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Lindsay Wolfe Less Than Bedroom Greater Than LIC number 325672. Looking to find the perfect space to call home close to the interstate for quick commute, yet quiet and secluded? This is your next home. This home offers a split bedroom floor plan, beautifully redone primary bathroom. This home is sparkling top to bottom. Zero lot line, minimal yard MX. Cozy outdoor living space. Rear load, gated garage. 12-month lease. Security deposit required equal to 1 month's rent. Credit report and rental application approval required. No smoking. For more information, review the details below or contact Lindsay Wolfe Less Than Bedroom Greater Than LIC number 325672 at 901-861-4808.